I drilled a hole. Look at how much water is coming out this thing.
Okay, so what we're not going to do is drill holes into the balance ring of our washing machine. Hi, my name is Renee. I'm an appliance care and maintenance specialist, and before going into appliance education, I was an appliance repair technician in the field for 6 years. First and foremost, absolutely zero hate to the person in that original video. Based on the limited context I have, it looks like they were just following a tutorial they found online from somebody who has no idea what a balance ring is or how it functions. So to start, I'm going to go over what a balance ring is and what it does. Then I'll talk to you about why this is a bad idea, and we'll wrap it all up by going over other ways of preventing your washing machine from shaking that don't involve permanently physically altering one of the parts. The balance ring is the ring around the top of the washing machine's drum. It's an enclosed ring filled with fluid, usually a saline solution. So yeah, the water that came out of the balance ring in that video wasn't water, and it was supposed to be there. The purpose of the balance ring is exactly what it sounds like. It helps keep everything balanced inside of your washer. It does this by adding weight to the top of the drum that acts as a counterweight to assist with unbalanced loads of laundry. And it's not just that specific model of washing machine that has a balance ring. Many top-load washing machines in the United States have balance rings as well. To the basement! Welcome to my basement. This is my old washer and dryer. They've been sitting here for over a year unused. The washing machine has been completely emptied of all water for storage. So why is it that when I do this, you can clearly hear liquid moving inside? That's the fluid in the balance ring. By the way, I don't actually need these right now. I just put them on because I found them in my basement and I forgot they existed. So safety. Back to the studio. Ignore that. Top-load washing machine drums are usually very bottom-heavy because in addition to the water and laundry weighing them down, they usually have parts like the motor and drain pump attached to the bottom. So when a top-load washer is full of clothing, if you don't have anything weighing it down and you're trying to wash an unbalanced load, it's much more likely to shake. So why would the person in the original video say that drilling holes in their balance ring would stop it from shaking? Because in some scenarios, at least in the short term, it might. For example, if you're washing a smaller load of laundry that keeps the center of gravity lower, removing the weight from the top may make it shake less. However, drilling holes into your balance ring and removing the fluid inside has many more long-term negative consequences than it does initial benefits. With larger loads of laundry or loads of laundry that are more unbalanced than others, disabling the balance ring can not only make your washing machine shake more, but an even more significant consequence is that drilling those holes will instantly void any warranty or service contract that you may have had. That means that if you have any issue with your washing machine after altering the design of it, you're the one who has to pay for it, even if the issue you're experiencing wasn't caused by damaging the balance ring. And if any potential issues you experience cause any damage to your washing machine, your home, or cause you or anyone else bodily harm, you've essentially lost the right to sue the manufacturer for any damages. By altering the machine, you're assuming that responsibility. And even if you're already out of warranty or you didn't have a service contract to begin with anyway, drilling holes in the balance ring can also compromise the rest of the washing machine drum. You've opened up a cavity inside the top of the washing machine that was not there before, making it susceptible to mold, mildew, rust, detergent buildup, bacteria, and more. And that's aside from the fact that removing the fluid from your balance ring means that other parts of your washing machine, like your dampers, also known as your shock absorbers, will now have to work harder to compensate, which means they'll probably wear out sooner. Look, I understand that a washing machine that won't stay balanced can make you do some wild things, but there are plenty of other less destructive methods for preventing your washing machine from shaking. So before you go drilling holes into your washing machine, here are a few things you should try first. Sort laundry by the weight of the fabric and don't over or underload your washing machine. Wash all of your heavyweight fabrics, medium weight fabrics, and lightweight fabrics in their own separate loads whenever possible. And always try to fill your washing machine somewhere between about halfway and 3/4 of the way full. To the best of your ability, of course. Most people are aware that if they under or overload their washing machine, it's more likely to shake. What many people don't consider is when you're washing many articles of clothing that are very different weights, the heavier fabrics will almost always naturally make their way more towards one side of the drum than the other, leaving the lighter fabrics on the other side. And this will almost always make your washing machine shake. Make sure your washing machine is installed correctly according to the installation instructions for your model of washer. Installation makes a huge difference in washing machine machine performance. There are many different installation issues that can make a top-load washing machine shake, including not leveling the feet properly, the washer being installed on a floor that's too springy, the drain hose not being installed correctly, which can cause your washing machine to siphon dirty water back into itself during a spin, just to name a few. Especially in the case of the original video, which shows a washing machine with an impeller rather than an agitator, load it like a donut. If you don't leave a hole in the center when loading this style of machine, which is the correct way to load them, it is much more likely to go out of balance and shake. Make sure you're using your laundry products correctly by double checking the instructions on the packaging. That is not intended to sound patronizing. You'd just be surprised at how many people prefer to measure their laundry detergent with their heart. The unfortunate reality is, if you're using laundry products incorrectly, it can cause a wide variety of issues, including preventing your washing machine from fully draining, which can add extra weight to the drum and make it shake. Make sure you're cleaning your washing machine using a washing machine cleaning product regularly. Detergent and laundry products can very easily begin to build up on the internal parts of your washing machine's drum, the part you can't see. If you're not cleaning your washing machine regularly, that buildup can add enough weight to your washing machine to affect the balance of it. And that same buildup can begin to eat away at the parts that it's attached itself to if left for too long. If after all of that, your washing machine is still shaking, that's the point at which you would call an appliance repair tech. Because at that point, you've done all that you can do to try to resolve the issue on your own, which means there's probably a part in your washing machine that's broken and needs to be replaced by an appliance repair tech. And if that appliance repair tech tries to drill holes into your washing machine's balance ring, find a different appliance repair tech.